A warm welcome to all of Macrosoft's esteemed clients, dedicated team members, and valued partners. We're delighted to have you with us for this end-of-year message. As we reflect on 2023, we recall a year of overcoming challenges, embracing growth, and celebrating substantial achievements. Each of you has been a pivotal part of this journey, contributing in unique ways to shape Microsoft's successful narrative. To our clients, your faith in us fuels our drive to excel. Your needs and challenges spark our creativity and push us to deliver exceptional software solutions that propel your success. To our team members, your tenacity, ingenuity, and commitment never fail to impress us. You are the life force of Macrosoft, and your dedication is deeply appreciated. To our partners, your teamwork and synergy have opened new horizons for us and our clients. Our achievements are richer and more meaningful for your partnership. As we step into 2024, we are filled with excitement for the growth, potential, and triumphs that lie ahead. Together, we will continue to transform the technology landscape. On behalf of the whole Macrosoft family, we wish you a festive holiday season and a new year brimming with prosperity. Here's to exploring another remarkable year together. Thank you.